Hi, Service Learning class. I hope you're having a wonderful break. It is getting towards the end of spring break. I don't know if you guys have sort of had a good break, got to do anything restful or fun or exciting. It's been nice to kind of get a lot of catch up on things for me and just hang out, you know. The rain has been intense at times, but absolutely wonderful because pretty soon we're going to have spring flowers. So that's not why I'm sending you a message. I'm sending you a message because I want to check in about Tuesday. So on Tuesday, that's your midterm. And I think we talked about this already in terms of like what I'm looking for. And what I'm looking for is the green piece of paper signed by whoever's your advisor or mentor at your placement, and then your journal. And what we'll do is we'll individually take turns checking in with me, and that's going to be the class, okay? So it's but you need to be there because your presence in class is part of your midterm grade. So please make sure you're in class or you'll lose points on your midterm. All right, so have something to turn into me journal-wise, and midterm document, the green sheet that you were given in the beginning of the semester. All right? And then the other thing I wanted to just talk to you about really briefly is the Project Censored conference that College of Marin is hosting in October. So I'm sending you this announcement today, and in this announcement you're going to have this video, but you're also going to have the call for proposals and the registration form. And so, and then I'm just giving you the link to Project Censored. So a couple of you have worked with Project Censored. So your classmate Zainab has been published in the book last year, and currently your classmate Maria is working with the project on a couple different things that they put in the book. So it's a neat project. It's media literacy. I'm going to just click over to that page so you can see it while I'm talking to you. But when you click on here, you're going to see something really neat, which is, aha, this is the College of Marin. That's your science building. And this is the conference. And so you can go to this link and you can register. You can also, the flyer I'm giving you sends you there as well. And it's brown paper tickets, but because you're students, it's free. So, so you can register, and it's going to be a lot of fun, and I hope that you consider going. The other thing is that we're also doing calls for proposals. So if you want to do a presentation, maybe on service learning as social justice, or talk about your placement, or even invite somebody from the placement that you work with to do some sort of presentation on why it is what you do is really important to making a better world. So those are things to consider, and we can definitely start class talking about that a little bit if you guys have questions. But otherwise, I'll see you at the midterm, and enjoy the last few days of spring break, and take good care. Okay, bye-bye.